Hello, guys and ladies. Welcome back to the new episode of Agro Eco Tourism in Siem Reap. Today we are in Kodong village and we are visiting the homestay and cooking class. I'm gonna take you around this place. Here there is all the desk with the cooking class, where the visitors can experience a unique local experience by learning how to cook steer, vegetables, Cambodian food, with vegetables of chicken, vegetables duck or fish in Cambodian style. This place is supported by the NGO Agro International. In the NGO, which is based in France. Here we have my girlfriend and the visitors from Canada, Harvey. Okay, they are taking selfie picture.